Yes, so I'm Farmer Joe. Welcome to Ball Farms. Right now, what we're going to do is feed my goats. Okay, having a goat farm is very profitable. That's Billy back there. Having a goat farm is very profitable and fun. It's a learning experience and much more. So right now, what I'm going to do is prepare these goats for their first feeding of the day. Let's see here. As a rule of thumb, we switch it up with the goats. We switch up their food from time to time, depending on the time of the year. But there's a rule of thumb for goats. If it's good for a horse, it's good for a goat. All right, so let's continue. So bang. Little goat pellets. It's little pellets. Certain animals eat pellets, right? And it's basically grass, minerals, all a part of the goat diet. Jerome! That's Jared right there, just getting home from school. Say hello, Jared. Ooh! Alright, so let's continue here. I got my little bucket of goat food. And they're definitely, since this is their first feeding, they're definitely a little bit hungry here. And so let's take a look at these guys. Let's see. Take a look at these guys here. Let's go in there. Let me get myself up in here. What are you doing, my guy? You here to say hello? You here to say hello? You here to say hello? Now again, this could be very profitable business. But it's not all about business. Go sit down. It's not all about business. It's about sharing. It's about giving back to your community. Right? Now, so, I know, you guys are hungry. Alright, so, how will I do this here? Let's set this up in there. Let's see here. Hey, stop eating ice cream. Stop eating the screen. Okay? We're gonna leave that right there. I know. You gotta wait. Okie dokie. So, I am in the goat pen, and these guys is going hysterically. What are we doing, guys? Huh? What are we gonna do today, huh? You see how they're... So you definitely wanna make sure... Look at them eating. They're not even trying to share. They don't even want to wait. They don't even want to wait. Hey! See, she always trying to... She don't like to share. This one right here don't like to share. This kitty. Kitty don't like sharing. Okay. Let's see here. If I can set this up so I can... Hey! Share. I know, Bonnie. Okay. See? They don't like sharing. Put a little pellets in there. This is what the goats eat. This is how they eat. I know, Bon. I see you. I know, Bonnie. Are you guys eating? Can I get you guys anything? Okay. So these guys are good for right now. Then I gotta go over here. That is, we call it kidding. But what it means is she's pregnant and she has a little baby goat, which is a kid coming soon. So this is Bonnie. Here, see, say hello to Bonnie. Bon. You wanna say hello, Bonnie? Oh, there's Bonnie. Oh, there's Bonnie. What are you doing, Bonnie? I know. So you want some of this? So we're gonna try to set it up so we can feed Bonnie. I know, Bonnie. I know. Let me see what I can see. I know. There we are, Bonnie. Okay. So the same thing with Bonnie. This is her little thing since she's out in the kidding corner. All right. We like to feed her in here. Plus, some of the girls like to fight over their food, and the guys as well. So we keep them in the kidding corner, but we're getting ready to feed Bonnie. So pour a nice amount. You want to kind of over pour during the winter season, which it is right now. It's the winter season. So you want to overfeed the livestock and outdoor animals. You want to overfeed them so they can combat the winter season. They have a lot of fur. Look at Bonnie trying to eat here. They have a lot of fur and things that help them combat, but the most important thing is a healthy diet and a hearty husky diet for them during the winter. Look at her, she's hungry, she's ready to eat. All right, Bonnie, okay. Here. So let's see if we can see Bonnie up in there eating. What you doing, Bonnie? You want to say hello? So that's Bonnie. And she likes to eat alone. I mean, you know, she likes to wrestle around with the guy goats and the girl goats. And so I like to put her by herself, especially during the winter season, you know. And that's just the Farmer Joe thing. Every farm is different. Every place and how you take care of your livestock and your animals, everything is different. But hey, it's up to you. It's up to you. So since the goaties are fed right now, we'll come back and refresh their water, get them some fresh water. Put some more in there for these guys. They don't always like to share, you know, but these are the two boy goats. What are you doing, guys? you go. You need to share. So that's it for the goat feeding for right now. I mean, there's tons of things we could talk about and discuss and go over. You know, once again, I'm a first-generation farmer, so I don't got all the skills and all the techniques, but I do know if you have a passion for something, right? If you have a passion for something, there's nothing that can stop you, all right? It'll become easier and easier, but you have to try. You know, if it's something that you really want, then all you have to do is try, keep working at it, and you will be okay. All right, so I'm gonna sign off for right now. It's a beautiful day today. See if you can see some of these trees behind me. It's a beautiful day today on the ball farm. Oh, look at that lighting right there. That lighting works. I like that lighting. It's a beautiful day out today, and I'm just gonna muscle around with the goats today. Get a little bit of winter harvest going on as well. I mean, definitely owning a farm is one of the first businesses, right? It's one of the best businesses for families, all right? Because we do this for the family, right? First. Then we do it for our community second, right? Right? Then we do it for mankind third. Or it could be the other way around. Mankind second, community third. You play with it. You play with it. You play with it. But we're having fun doing this as a family here on the Ball Farms. And as you know, on the Ball Farms, we're on the ball. So definitely come out and check us out. See you soon.